Hi, I'm Justin Goodballot, and I work here for Malta Dynamics, and I've been an outdoor enthusiast and a bow hunter ever since I was a kid. And one thing that I do a lot of when I'm hunting is I spend a lot of time in a tree.
Malta Dynamics has been making workplace safety products and fall protection since 2015. We've taken what we've learned about workplace safety and applied it to our passion in hunting and outdoors, and we've come up with what we think is the best fall protection harness for tree stands on the market.
I actually received and was part of the development, giving feedback for the development harness and used it last year. It was a very comfortable harness. Malta's Hunter's Elite Safety Harness is just that, it's elite.
In years past, I've bought harnesses, big name harnesses, and the adjustability has been pretty poor, especially for somebody my size. If you spend money on something like that, then you expect it to be adjustable to your size. And so far, one of my favorite things about that harness is the adjustability. It fits really good.
For a woman, the harness is definitely more comfortable. It has extra padding in the inner thighs. True to size, it actually feels like it fits me. I feel a lot of support in it as a woman, especially getting up in tree stands. It definitely makes me feel safe.
We combined our decades of experience in workplace safety along with our decades of experience hunting. We've combined those two together to offer something that's rugged, reliable, comfortable, and like nothing that's ever been introduced before. This is the Hunter's Elite Safety Harness by Malta Dynamics.